how to leave a WhatsApp group without anyone knowing in 2024. This can be really useful if you're in a group you no longer want to be a part of but don't want to draw attention to yourself. So let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp app and navigate to the group you want to leave. Before leaving the group, we need to mute notifications so that you don't receive any alerts about new messages in the group. Tap on the group name at the top to open the group info page. Next, tap on mute notifications and select always. This will ensure you didn't get any notification from this group anywhere. Now, here's the trick to leave the group without anyone noticing. Instead of leaving the group directly, we'll archive it. Go back to your main chat list and swipe right. Or you can long press on the group chat and then tap on the archive icon. To leave the group without drawing attention, we will turn off read receipts temporarily. Go to settings by tapping the three dots in the top right corner or down button. Now go to account or privacy. Now here on read receipts, simply toggle it off. This way, no one will know if you've seen the messages in the group before you leave. Now, go back to your archive chats and open the group chat and tap on the name to open the group info page. Scroll down and tap on exit group. Confirm by tapping exit. Finally, go back to settings, account, and privacy to turn read receipts back on. This way, your read receipts will work as usual for your other chats. And that's it. You've successfully left the WhatsApp group without anyone knowing.